Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to add headers and footers to Word documents using Spire Document. This video will be divided into 3 parts: function introduction, code explanation and example operations. First, function introduction. Header refers to the content at the top of each page, typically containing the document title, author's name, or date. Footer is the content at the bottom of each page, usually including page numbers, copyright information, or other notes. Headers and footers can be used to display important information as well as to decorate a document to make it more professional and aesthetically pleasing. Users are allowed to add headers and footers to the first page or every page of a document, or insert different headers and footers for odd and even pages. Next, code explanation. Listed below are the main code methods. For example, the first method supports obtaining the headers-footers class of the specified section. It will return an object of headers-footers, allowing you to get the header or footer. You can obtain them according as required. The third method supports adding a paragraph at the header and appending text within it. The fourth one supports adding an image within the paragraph of the header. The fifth method supports setting the header and footer of the first page differently from the other pages. The following method supports setting different headers and footers for odd and even pages. And the last 2 methods support setting the height of the header and footer. Now, let's move to the code explanation part. On the right is the effect we want to achieve, which is to add an image on the left of the header and a text on the right. Then, in the footer, we want to add the page number and the total number of pages. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this in IDEA using Spire Document. Here, I have already created a project and imported Spire Doc into it. The required documents are also placed in the specified locations. Let's write the code. First, we need to create a document object and load the sample document. Get its first section and then get its headers-footers. Here, we can actually encapsulate 2 methods directly. One is to modify the header, and the other is to modify the footer. Okay, now we can use this object to make modifications. For the header, first we get the header object directly. If the original document already has a header, we can get its child object and then clear it. This step is to clear all the header information. Next, add a paragraph and then append text to it. After that, it will return a text range object. We can set this text with this object, such as changing its color or font. Similarly, we continue to add an image within this paragraph. After adding it, it will also return a doc picture object. With this object, we can also set the image property. Here, we set the font to Arial, size to 10, and style to italic. The text position is set to the right. Next, set the height and width of the image to 50 and set the wrapping style to be behind the text. The image position is set to be horizontally aligned to the left and vertically centered. Here, we also need to set the horizontal starting point and vertical starting point. This way, the header has been set up. Next, add a footer. Get the footer and add a paragraph to it. It will return a paragraph object. Adding page numbers is controlled through the field, which is called page number. The page number is followed by the word of, and remember to add a space before and after it. And then add the total number of pages. Finally, align the footer to the right. Well, now we call these methods within the main method. First, add the header, then add the footer. Finally, save the result and release the resources. After successfully executing the code, click on the generated document. You will see that the desired header and footer have been added to the document. Okay. That's all for this video. If you are interested in SpireDoc or have any questions about it, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.